before we start our class, I want us to do our chant. And I want it to be so proud. Like, I want you to all sound like you get ready to go to second grade, okay? Because I know by us doing this chant, and by us doing a good job, we're going to have a great class, okay? S, 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 C, 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 I, I, E, 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 N, 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 C, 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 E, 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 E,
what is side, side, what is side, side, what, are you ready? 'Cause I'm ready. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm ready. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm ready to learn.
everybody right back. I have Zaya, I have Santana, I have everybody in the grade room. One teammate, let's fix it. Now I have everybody in the orange room. You know what? It looks amazing. I have 2 teammates over there in the purple room looking really good. Okay, so yesterday we talked about we started our new unit on electricity. Today our objective is that the Seminoles will explain that static electricity is the build-up of a charge. Let's say it with me. Today's objective. Seminoles will explain. That static electricity. Is the build-up of a charge. Alright, so we're going to learn so much today about static electricity. What did we learn about today?
Static electricity.
And also how it builds up its charge. Okay? So, I want y'all to think of some things that we use electricity for. Think of some things that we use electricity for. Raise your hand once you know. Anthony. Hold on, Anthony. I'm sorry, I got to interrupt. Can we problem solve, please? Okay, you speed up some with this off. Thank you. Now, what can you do? Thank you. All right, Anthony, back to you.
We can use magnets on
Electricity. Think of electricity. What do we use electricity? Name some items for electricity.
electricity.
On what?
On computers.
Computers. What else? What else has electricity? Raise your hand. I'm only going to call teammates that are looking second grade ready.
No.
Madison. Charging your phone or your tablet. Good one. Good. Ethan.
You need electric for like electric blankets.
Oh, like your electric blanket, like a heater blanket to keep you warm. Okay, and I'm taking one more teammate, one more second grade, one student that looks like a second grade ready. Who is looking second grade ready? Dakota. A TV, good job. So these are many things that we can use electricity for. So I got some examples on the board. Electricity is everywhere. Electricity is where, class?
Everywhere.
Oh, it's where?
Everywhere.
It's everywhere. We have it in our home. You can use it on your computers at home. Some people have an electric stove. The light bulbs in your house. You also use it on computers. The computers we use at school. Also your game systems that you all might have at home, like your Xbox. Hold on, I'm away. Who's looking like second grade leaders? Sydney's there. Sydney's still there. Sean is there. Thank you. All right, and it's also not only in the school or in our home, but there's electricity outside of the school and home, like the traffic light. So electricity is all around us, okay? Now, exactly what is electricity? Turn to your neighbor and talk to them what electricity is. I'm sorry, baby. Bring it back in 3, 2, 1, and 0. We'll run right back. Sydney's there. All my teammates in the orange row are there. I'm waiting on one more teammate to fix it. Thank you for fixing that, Sean. All right, so who can tell me what do they believe electricity is? What do you think electricity is? Zoe.
Electricity is some that is the electric that goes through the cord and comes up and to make sure that everything that needs electricity can work right. So if you don't buy no food, you can buy from the grocery store and you can have lights in the grocery store and then when you come home you switching up the food so you can eat it because if they want you to electricity, they want you to go to the right, they go to
Okay, wow, so you said that we need electricity, and it's the things that have turn our lights on, correct? We need it to heat, like, for our refrigerator, so electricity flows through the refrigerator so we keep our food fresh. I like what you said. Anybody else? Tell me, what else do you think electricity is? Oh, I'm waiting on 2 teammates to fix it. Get my butt to your carpet spot. All right, 6. It helps us see in the nighttime. What about, you think that's a lot? Electricity is helping the lights flow? What you think? Okay, so it's helping the lights. So, electricity, guys, is energy. Electricity is what?
Energy.
It's energy. It's what, class?
Energy.
It's energy. And there are 2 types of electricity. We're going to get into that. But electricity gives us 2 types of charges. A positive charge and a negative charge. A what type of charge?
Positive charge and a negative charge.
What type of charge, Dakota?
A positive charge and a negative charge.
What type of charge, Jeremy?
Positive charge and a negative charge.
What type of charge, Sean?
A positive charge and a negative charge.
What type of charge, class?
A positive charge and a negative charge.
So, Brian, let's look at the board, okay? So, this symbol right here is going to represent our positive charge, and this is our negative charge. Keep that in mind for the clips we're going to see ahead. Okay? So, one type of charge, class, is current electricity. Say current electricity.
Current electricity.
Brian, what type of charge? Current electricity. And current electricity goes from one place to another. It do what, class? Go from one place
to another.
Do it again.
One place to another.
All right, and that's called current electricity. Our next one is static electricity. What, class?
Static electricity.
And it stays in one place. What did it do?
Stays in one place.
Brian, what does it do?
Stays in one place.
Show me. Are you going to stay in one place? Thank you. All right. Static electricity stays in one place. So, let's look at this diagram on the board, this picture. So, we want to know, how does static electricity build up? How does it build up its charge? That's our objective today, is to figure out how does it build up its charge. So, let's look at the board. Before we can build up static electricity, our positive and negative charges are the same. Okay? So let's look at the balloon and let's look at the hand. We have a positive and negative. Positive, negative. What's this, class?
Positive, negative.
What about over here in the hand?
Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Positive, negative.
All right. Before it builds up, they are the same. The charges are the same. Fix it. 3, 2, 1. Fix that. All right. Now, when the charges build up, look at the picture over here. What's different about this picture than that picture? What happened? What is so different when the static electricity builds up? What is different? Madison. So are they the same or are they different? They're different. So in order to build up the charge of the static electricity, it has to be different, okay, to attract. It has to be different in order to attract. So in my mind, Mr. Crenshaw has to see things in order for it to make sense, okay? So we're going to do an activity to see if we can build up some electricity and to see will it attract to the hand, okay? We're going to see if the positive charges and the negative charges will change. So, I need teammates to follow my directions, okay? We're going to do the activity. We're going to sit at the perimeter of the carpet, okay? In a circle. I want all teammates to get there in 7 seconds. I know we can do it. Okay, I didn't say move. 1, show ready. 2, look at your spot that you know you're going for on the perimeter of the carpet. 3, 7. Now rush it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Who's looking like second grade ready? Khalil, that's not okay. Alright, that's life. Things happen. Alright, scoot over, please. Oh, Ms. Crenshaw, I gotta get down. Okay, so I have a balloon, okay? I'm going to build up the charge in this balloon to see if it can attract to the hand. Okay, so first, please, throw your hands in. Thank you. I'm going to have some teammates help me, all right? But first, I want to see. I'm going to put the balloon down and I'm going to put my hand here. Is the balloon attracting to my hand or is it pulling away or not doing anything? It's not doing anything. So is the positive and negative charges, are they still the same?
No.
Think about it. Are they still the same?
Yeah.
They're still the same if there's nothing happening, okay? The positive charges and the negative charges are still the same. Now I'm going to try to build up the static electricity, okay? So let's see. Help me, guys. Help me. All right. Sit back. Show ready. Let's see what it'll attract. Oh, hold on. Let's do it again. I don't think we built it up good enough. Let's try it again. Sorry for the noise. All right, show ready. Show ready. It's not trying. Okay, let me try a teammate because it's not working with Mr. Crenshaw. And just since you're sitting right here, can you help me? Alright, so I'm going to try to build it up, okay? And we're going to see what attracts to Anthony's hand. Help me, guys. Alright. Show ready. Show ready. Show ready. No. Now put your hand out, Anthony. Did it attract to Anthony's hand?
Yeah.
It did that time. Let's try it again. You want to try? Alright.
We can both try.
Try it with your other hand.
Can we try both?
No. Help me out, class. Only looking like second grade ready. Alright, second grade ready. Who is ready on the carpet? Did it attract to her hand? So, we build it up. We build up the static electricity. So now since it attracts to her hand, are the charges the same or are they different? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand to answer the question. Are the charges the same or are they different? Khalil. Think about it. All right. Are you sure? If you agree with Khalil, clap twice. He said, well, oh no, first, what's your answer? Are they different or are they the same? You can look at the picture to help you out.